before you say Monica do tree wawa with Obo girlfriend. Ask Obo.
Like and share.
Obo, you and Monica, who knew this girl first? Who was this girl with before you came? Where did you meet this girl? What did Monica told you about this girl when you came? What did you still do? You betray us. I walked toward them out of my house. Now, immediately. You went me down. Okay? Ofo. Benedict girl beg he said, Imako. But then, this betrayer of a boy was still in our house because he will lie and manipulate. You have to be very smart to know that he's a liar and a manipulator. You boy, you way, you told you egbe. Now he go still they follow back, they betray. He go just set everybody against everybody if you are not smart. He's going to lie to you about your husband. He's going to follow back. He's going to lie to your husband. He's going to lie to the girl. He's going to lie to this one. He's going to set everybody. Only in one go just they center. They do service boy. Jesus. Okay? The one who say you do Monica take his girlfriend. Ask her where you foresee the girl. Ask her if you know the girl before. Ask her how many months the girl was with me before he come. He not spend 1 month when he scatter everywhere. This motherfucker service boy. He not spend 1 month for all these gay. I did their house. I live for their house. He not spend. He not sleep about every day. Just load. Where at the end of the day now juju everywhere. Now for things where you put for person house where you not rent for. Okay, so that one is that one there. He isn't truth. He is the betrayer, and he was set ablaze. That pepper him, that pain him, that make him start to the lie where did this word. Say, when we went to court, these are the things where he put for mind, thinking that we are going for camera only for him to go to court and start judging waiting lawyer no, waiting judge no. They are so like, what is this? Is this the case you guys come for? This one he was speak English okay. At the end of the day, George say, okay, no problem. The girl, come and testify. Since now this one, he said the problem start from this one. The judge asked the girl, how old are you? What are you? What is this? What is that? The girl answer. Judge say, case closed. There is no case here. Condemn, case closed. And they handle the matter, go away, stay away from this family, this, that. Okay, he really went away and went to where that Belgium, they say he go for a very long time. When they restrict him of not coming ever close to her, because before they can restrict him, he was always coming, ringing bell, making trouble, all different kind of threats. Oh, Jesus. Until they restrict him, that they never to come near, or that anytime come near, or there is no mistake. Now go bear the consequences. So if you see them, you go. If you say na coincidence, now you go bear the consequences. Saw us on social media doing our thing, and he came back again for the old rubbish always and all the time for revenge. Okay? E property where they cry put. Waiting we do for that property, you no go do one. Una we wicked anyhow. Una no go do one. But we do one thinking, okay, small picking they cry, carry this, take this, get away. But he never go to get away. The revenge is just too much. So, as a social media, he sing with I Touch Monica. You guys bore it. Not I touch Monica, Monica touch me, Monica carry me, Monica try to seduce me. Una buying so well. So he's so happy because not such person I be. He like to give pain that you are buying you. People, they are people, they make them feel relevant. That's what he does. That is what he does to police people again and again. Until police now, wow, they build the office now. Don't come here again. At first, police believe him. At first, the street people believe him. At first, everybody believe him. But when you keep doing it, you will see the pattern like, hey, what are you doing? You don't even know what you want. Are you anyway? Are you born away? Are you anyway? What do you want? What do you want from these people? That is it. Now, some of them don't also they ask now, what do you want from these people? Now, Paika can't come today. Okay? Now, Paika can't come today. This is the that love. This is the reason why I go to the platform. Now, Paika can't come today saying, give her money where safe for your hand. Paika was not there. 50 euro now that they give person where they camp. What was he doing? Where he want save money from my hand? How? Make people go ask people where they back. What was he doing? Before he leave everywhere where he put all of them for public. The same like where he do also. He do them until before they come to say, now so you do them, my Bruce and Monica. Oh, Maria, me no win anyway. Or Rajao Jemi what destroy? Jesus, or might it destroy women? Or destroy him and the bomb might it destroy women? Okay? So, person where they collect 50 euro every week. 4 weeks will be 200 euro. And they didn't even spend out to 4 weeks in my home. How did they give me such money? The only money ever I know of. Now the money where that they could take the carry and go walk. They go do camera. You go carry that they could follow that they could with lights. They will go do work. They will come back. That they could will come put CD. That they could was doing all this coverage when they go school. After we don't still go school finish, we don't marry. Everybody knows you do coverage. When you they do party, go cover and come put them for CD for you. No case CD. You go put your picture pure. If I can go and bring some of your work for his house. Until this boy come, follow me, go walk. He start to follow and carry camera. So if that they could carry contract, they pay her money, he go constantly give this boy money. But how much was it? How many work did they follow that they could go? About 3 work where he follow that they could go. He betrayed that they could now thinking that he don't get people where go there by his hand. But only for us to quarrel, finish, break up, everybody, if they hear from this one, they hear from this one. Everybody don't fair know us, even when we be boyfriend and girlfriend. We can't born, we can't turn to Iran, Babi Jabba, they come and we're married, they come everything. This one, where you come today, the things where you go talk about us. If not you get say, you not go wrong. The people where you say you don't win, they come they wrong. They don't hear the story finish, but inside their heart go say, now, wow, hey, that's the way he put for us. Hey, God, he go even tell them, waiting he go do us. By the time he finish with all those one, go say, hey, now, wow, come. Even the people that come from Maggie Mingwin and Ingwin and Yete Wajao. We ain't with service boy. You ain't with fe. You marry me when you don't see anybody we call her. He come back below. What did they come back again? He come back to us again. At that time, when the quarrel happened, the whole thing wasn't packaged in one packet. After this one, first and foremost, the cry for the one was just my 3 luggage and my 4 luggage inside the house. I have 4 luggage inside the house. Rubber bag. Adi rubber bag. Adi rubber bag. About 4. And inside that 4, 2 now be a kind of all this oversized clothes wey they buy for second hand. Now clothes now duro boy. The 2 rubber bag, the other one was full of madness medication because na madness it take aduro. So if they come they give them the medicine, you know they take am. If they carry and follow body, they go why? I don't know. Okay. Then the other rubber bag and one small other go, it can be juju. Juju. All the things na yemi gbalo, poro, para. All the old juju where they see for this life, head of something where they dry, head of something where don't like monkey head where be like human being head where they don't come out all the skin dry score.
Power tap, I beg.
Everybody where we don't carry and follow. Everywhere where we don't use and take visit, he follow or pamake. All here. You have to say that part. I didn't collect his money. The money we say with the own and money we take by himself calculate and times per hours we take carry children go school according to him. But police settle it. Were you eating in their house? Yeah. Were you staying there? Were you using computer? iPhone, Mac. We never see for life before. Now they sit down, put they use. Police said no. Were their contract where they said if you do this for them, they are going to give you money. He said no. For that reason, no. Not that now we una quarrel now you come the time. It doesn't work like that. He no go here. Police said no. You no get right where they go pay to you because you calculate. I carry the children go school. You do this, you do that, you do that. Now he come back. Good news. I no go tire for us. I no go tire because now here I dey for social media. Now I go tire for my matter. So now he tell me I go hear word. I go hear the now come my husband. My husband do Larry. What you una gather do the time we una gather the waka alone. What you una gather do cause this one where you just the nyank big ya wa tie wa set way because you wa nyanya menene ma we odo ye mu ekonere o ye oda fun waye no ama we wetin so yan wa nyanya manya and bro this and bro that we hey mona set one for isa hey egbe wa we me. So as we can reach Koti, now he bring the nyanya bubu and nyanya wowo we get. Now he talk now this one now you get bob ye wo. Now this one now they spoil reputation seriously. I've stand down red light so Igbo husband and wife they were kind sir. Could they go chop their life? Oh yeah, George, and you know what that George they do. Now George called the girls. I felt talk and just now and they say, how old are you? And girl say na 21 years old. How old were you when you know these people in 20 years? Where's your husband? Say no marry. You don't born say don't born one picking when you teenager. Now just okay. What did they do you? Now say now this Nine that. Nine this. Nine just say okay. This one, that one, that one. I say no. This one, them and this one, who you fed no? Now I say we. How many months he talk? This one, why you can't dey cry put now? What be the problem where you say court must hear? Because now like this, because now like that one say this case throw out of this court. This is not a case. Why are you here? Talk why you are here. This one is not a case. Because now there the thing for start. Now the thing can't do like this. Now that one say what? Why are you here? Now the lawyer will bring come quickly talk say, they are here because of camera, because they do this, because the camera do that, because that one say, oh yeah, case closed. Go and repair the camera and bring the bill for them. That's the end. Don't go to the house. Don't go to the street. Do you have address in their street? No. Do you have child in the school of their children? No, because they go wait for us. The way I tell you that time, say you that they go, I can't come, I can't pick up. So now lawyer say, when you they go to children's school, go wait for them. You get picking for that school. He say no. Which picking you they go take? He say na girlfriend, and they say no. Officially, is he your daughter? He say no. Did they do official that you must speak her? Don't go there again. You have no right. Anywhere you see these people, you run. Otherwise, you will be in problem. Understood? You are in camp, go to camp. Don't enter this zone again. This camera, if you repair and finish, bring the receipt to your lawyer, send it to Ajala family, they pay you. They don't agree. Now carry Ajala Laklo with all the old now view you. For that court, he will lawyer start to the quarrel, start to the fight with your own lawyer. Because he say lawyer won't do what he say, make it talk. He go they do when ye lawyer, stupid lawyer. They tell the lawyer, you are a stupid lawyer. I waste my money for you. The money I give to you, I don't even know that you don't know how to talk. If I lied in eternal. When we can't get appointment with our lawyer again, okay, to clear the case, we can't go by ourselves with our own lawyer. Now that case, the woman fair bring. Say, you know, say lawyer to lawyer, then they discuss. If you like them, you now opponent, they don't care. They know they say, that lawyer, he say, our lawyer said the lawyer, he said the man say, he never see case like this before. Now we tell and say, because he hypnotized the lawyer. Did you see what he was putting on? They say, what is that? He used juju for lawyer. The lawyer is a lawyer man said, Ebomamwe George. Ebomwe lawyer, lawyers who you no type babu a judge will stop a judge the boy. Throw this here, you go. When our lawyer say he can't ask the lawyer, why did you bring the case of the girl? He said the lawyer say, I don't understand. You know, ask the girl the age, what happened before now they bring the court. So that one is that one. That is the reason why, guys, I went to Okpaeka platform. I saw Okpaeka saying, give him his thing and problem will solve. No, I don't hold his thing. Police have already said, I'm not holding him. We didn't write contracts. Say, carry my pikin, go school, eat for my house, do computer for my house, sit down for my house, bath for my house, shampoo for my house. Enter our new car with your juju body. Say, I need to pay put. No. Collect woman for our ass. At today, I talk back, listen. I don't need to pay put up my car. He not give me any money. The only money we calculate now be this money. Or we calculate on a fine. No, thank you, man. God bless you. Thank you for the gift. Or he calculate the money, they carry fire, go everywhere they go. Or maybe when he go really see police and judge and any matter, he go want to use psychological or maybe because now he take shop aduro. How that kind of thing go take work now? Even you wait go believe and for maybe you go tire repeatedly for nothing. Judge go dey wrong. He blind. We will not use juju. Judge go come support us say we not do anything wrong. Police goes after police don't support time. Police are real women. Anna Sashimawa or women we carry it things put for that they go search. No carry it. Irobaba we don't drop am for Aduro camp. You know the rest. That they could talk. He be like this. That they could be like this. How he cloth and he cloth na Aduro. Na second hand. You don't see second hand cloth for that they cool body before. Not be today that they could start to they wear maka. Na galolo from they want. Na so maka Lacoste. What you want to do with Bobala Lumomi where go carry for where they buy for second hand, where they give them for Aduro camp where they pack. What that they could want to do with and you don't see that they go with laba trouser before. Not be straight cause not be today starting. So, my lovely, amazing people. Now, when I hear Okpaika is no longer talking about adulterous, he's talking about giving property and camera. Now, it make me climb Okpaika was say, since when? But now, so she come humbly, kind want to know what actually happened. And not judge one part for him of the camera, the money, and the one of say, una take a girl. Okpaika, do you hear me now? I knew the girl before him. The girl was with us before him. He is a betrayer that manipulated and you juju on all of them. Do you hear me? If you don't hear me, you don't believe rest. If the people want to tell you truth, you juju to spoil a whole village. The juju not the last night be the thing. Now it don't clear. In what is on feel look boni what we le. Juju now it the man now it they hypnotize people. If you don't I tell you say you juju or you it was wagela or mo juju you wanna na ya clear wawe. They not go believe until when go happen your way. Jesus, this boy is devilish. Yes, that's who he is. That's why I think he can do anything and go scot-free. If you want to believe it, you can believe it. For me, you can say I'm not checking, I don't move, I don't care what he say. Okay, if you go, we jo, oma coming. Oh, in the video, we are what boy okay, no problem. See I. So now waiting make me go up by a war today. So as I can't go up by a war, just tell Okpaika say one Okpaika say, that he get now say na lie. Get we meet with us. Now betrayer. It can't be. Do you cheat or not? No. I don't cheat. I never cheat. I have never cheat. But I have my way of enjoying my life. My life or not yours. So finish. So as I just talk that one. Say when he go court, go they talk, hey, this son go keep us. Now George say no. How old are you? 21 years. Come